guys, and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is for July 2023. I know I'm still behind, but I am almost through the boxy charms, and then I think we're gonna catch up on all the rest pretty easily as of that point. So, I mean, we're still behind, but it won't be for too terribly much longer. I don't think, anyway. So, once we're caught up, then I will literally just film these as they arrive. So, like I used to. But, anywho. Here is our little booklet that it came with, and it says, on the bright side, summer is in full swing and there are many reasons to smile. The weather is warm, the days are long, and hopefully a relaxing getaway is on your calendar. Not on mine, sadly. Here at Allure, our own Elizabeth Seagal welcomed a beautiful baby girl, and while she enjoys this time with her family, I'm delighted to be here. With a sunny forecast ahead, your July Allure Beauty Box has just what you need to get glowing. Bioma's Creamy Jelly Cleanser, a Best of Beauty Award winner, starts your day with a clean slate. Reader's Choice Award-winning Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright and Eye Cream illuminates your eyes, and the Best of Beauty winning Pound Cake Red Velvet Cake Batter brightens your smile. And consider giving your blow dryer a vacation and treat your hair to a Sasha Juan hair after the sun post beach time to keep everything shining just as it should be. So the first thing in here, I think this is full size even, is the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is crazy because I know this is expensive. This is $44. And it says, why you'll love it. Bye-bye, dark circles. No matter how little sleep you got the night before, you can count on looking well-rested the next morning with the help of this Reader's Choice Award-winning eye cream. Packed with vitamin C, the peach-tinted formula blends easily into skin to hydrate and brighten, which means I can skimp on concealer from time to time. It says quinonin. How you'll use it. A pea-sized dot goes a long way. Day and night, dab the cream around your eye area using your ring finger. That's cool. So, I like that we have the full size of that one. This alone is worth more than the whole subscription to Allure costs, so that's pretty great just right off the bat. And then this, let's see here. This is not full size. This is the Acaderma, the Oasis Barrier Booster Serum. Full size is $68 for 30 milliliters. This is an 8 milliliter size, but that's okay. That's okay. Why you'll love it. Much like a moment of meditation, this serum has an instant calming effect on irritated skin. Soothing ingredients like olive leaf extract and Centella asiatica, an herb that's been used for centuries to treat wounds, repairs signs of redness. How you'll use it. Press this lightweight, watery serum into cleansed skin. Pretty cool. Then we've got, let's see, yeah, this is not full size either, the Neogen Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. It's hard to see because the coloring on it. Anyway, so $48 gets you a 50-gram size. This is literally 15 grams, so quite a bit smaller. Why you'll love it. Inside this pretty pink tube is a whipped luxurious cream that coddles skin. It's formulated with smoothing peptides, 11 of them to be exact, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and nourishing ceramide to moisturize skin and give it a bouncy, slightly lifted effect. How you'll use it. Slather it on under sunscreen each morning to soften fine lines while making skin dewy. Here's the guy I'm personally most excited about, because of course I am. The Pound Cake Red Velvet Cake Batter. So this is $26, and it is in fact full size. So the color is super saturated, but it is not at all messy to apply with the thin applicator. Let's see the applicator then. Oh, that's not too bad. It's just a normal applicator though. Ooh, it does smell like red velvet cake. Holy crap. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I totally thought it wasn't even going to be scented. That's amazing! Okay, so, why you'll love it. A red lip is always a classic choice, but not all matte liquid lipsticks wear as well as this Best of Beauty winning favorite does. The suede textured formula has just the right amount of pigment for a gorgeous, long-lasting payoff, and though it may feel like it's barely there, know that this bold crimson is making a statement. How you'll use it, the flexible doe foot applicator applies a sharp finish. It's so opaque, one swipe will do the trick. Very, very excited about this guy. Like, really, really excited. In case you could not tell. Let's see here. Come on. Then, We have the Sashawan Hair After the Sun. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right or not. I hope I am. This is full size though. So this is $37, again, more than the cost of the entire box. So I don't know how they get these great deals, but I'm very grateful they do. So why you'll love it. It's beach season, and this reparative treatment is on standby to make sure signs of long days spent outdoors don't linger in your hair. The creamy formula is made with hydrators like glycerin and castor oil to help replenish the moisture that's seemingly stripped away by the heat of the sun. How you'll use it. Try it as a leave-in, or if your hair feels extra dry, apply it like a mask and rinse after about 20 minutes. Cool. This I know for a fact is not full size, but that's okay. This is the Bioma Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Full size is $11.99 for 5.91 ounces. And it says 10 milliliters included in box. So, alright. Anyway, so why you'll love it. Wash away a full day of makeup, sweat, and excess oil in a single step with this Best of Beauty award-winning cleanser. The jelly-like formula lathers into a super silky cream that hydrates your skin in the process. Made with barrier-strengthening ceramides, skin is clean, never stripped. How you'll use it. Massage 1 to 2 pumps of the face wash all over. Rinse everything off with warm water, and voila, fresh skin. And then it's just got ads for stuff in their store. And it also came with the Hello Fresh 17 meal coupon, which I guess is cool. Is it even still good or is it expired? Let's see. What's it say? I'm looking. Do we have a date that this goes bad? It doesn't say. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna give this to my sister since I think she'll be able to use it more than I will, because she'll probably be moving out soon, so she already called dibs on this when I told her it was in there, and that is totally okay by me. Anything that helps, you know? You know. So, anyway. And that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.